Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I'm Dr. Gena Henderson. This morning, STEM students, I'm trying to be peace and calm as I start this Python Wednesday. Remember, it's Python Wednesday, so that means that you're expected to receive a Python lesson once you get out of school today. So I want to go over some simple math functions that we had been discussing. So for instance, I want to go over just going ahead and declaring a value for x, but this time I want x to be negative, and we're going to look at some absolute value. We're going to look at float. We're going to look at rounding, and we're going to round by two values. So I've already declared right here. So what we're gonna do is it's gonna say, let's go over some simple math functions, and it's actually gonna print the statement, let's go over some simple math functions. And then it's gonna print the statement also, let's declare x absolute value, integer, float, round to two decimal places. And then it's going to say print whatever x is after I've declared x. I'm declaring x here to be negative because we haven't worked with negative numbers yet, okay? So, and then this program is going to say, let's go over some simple math functions, and we're going to look at the power, the square root, and the exponent function, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and run this program. Okay, so when we ran the program, it prints, let's go over some simple math values. Let's see if we can put it right here. Okay, and it says, let's declare x, and it tells me that x is equal to negative 3.267. So now I'm going to go ahead and import math function. Oops. Okay, and I'm also going to go ahead and say, okay, I'm going to look at the absolute value of x. So it's going to return me that the absolute value of x is 3.27 when it was negative. So now I'm going to tell it to provide the integer of x, and it provides the integer as negative 3. So even though it made x the absolute value, x still goes back to the declaration, which is negative 0.2367. Then, so when it goes here and says, I want the integer of x, it's going to give me negative 3. Okay, then let's say I want the float of x. Okay, so now it goes back and it gives me everything to the decimals. All right, so now I'm going to round x. Okay, so it's going to round back to the integer negative 3. So what if I wanted to round x by two decimals? So it's going to round it. So 7 is going to round that 6 up. So it's negative 3.27. Okay, so now let's go over some simple math functions. So let's do like a math factorial. Let's see if we can just do math. Let's do a power. Let's do the power of 3 and 2, right? Because 3 squared is 9, right? So it returns 9. So let's do the opposite of that. Let's do math point square root of 9. And let's see if we get 3. Yes. So then we can do math dot exponent of 2. And remember, e is always equal to 2.7 something. So when you square that, that's going to be 7.38. Okay, so that's just a little bit of simple math that I really wanted to go over. So the next time we'll get into some more complicated things as well. So I just want to thank you for going to work with Gena, and thank you for allowing me to bring Python Wednesday to you. All right, have a great day.